Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today, we're exploring the best ESCAP 8K video capture card. ESCAP's first 8K capture card, offering top-tier quality for content creators, streamers, and gamers. Stay tuned as we dive into all the details of this powerful new device. Let's get started. Product features: 8K video capture capability. The ESCAP 8K video capture card is a groundbreaking addition to the market, capable of capturing and streaming video at an ultra-high definition resolution of up to 8K, 4320x60. This feature makes it an excellent choice for those looking to future-proof their setup and produce the highest quality content possible. Versatile input and pass-through options. One of the standout features of this capture card is its versatility. It supports input and pass-through for 4320p60 and 2160p 144 resolutions, allowing you to capture and stream HDMI video at resolutions up to 2160p60 or 1440x144 on your computer. This means you can play your games or run your presentations at the highest quality while simultaneously capturing every detail without compromising performance. Audio mixing capabilities. The ESCAP 8K video capture card is designed with content creators in mind. It includes options for microphone and audio line input, enabling you to mix audio directly within the capture process. This feature is particularly useful for streamers and YouTubers who want to provide commentary or add background music without the need for additional software or hardware. High-resolution capture. If your current setup doesn't yet support 8K, don't worry. The ESCAP 364 also supports capturing and streaming HDMI video up to 2160p60 or 1440x144. This flexibility ensures that you can produce high-quality content no matter what resolution your hardware supports. Broad system compatibility. The ESCAP 364 is compatible with both Windows and macOS systems, which is a significant advantage for users with varied setups. For Windows, it requires Windows 10x64 or Windows 11x64, and for macOS, it supports versions 11 and 12. It connects via a USB 3.2 port, ensuring fast data transfer and minimal latency. Hardware requirements. To get the best performance out of this capture card, your system needs to meet certain specifications. For desktop users, an Intel Core i5-6xxx processor or above, with an NVIDIA GeForce GT X1060 or better is recommended. Laptop users should have at least an Intel Core i7-7700HQ with an NVIDIA EDAA GeForce GT X1050 Ti. For macOS users, an Apple M1 or Intel i7 quad-core processor coupled with Radeon Pro 555 graphics is the minimum requirement. In terms of RAM, 8 GB is suggested for Windows, while macOS users should aim for 16 GB. Pros. The ESCAP 8K video capture card stands out with its exceptional video quality, making it a game-changer for content creators looking to future-proof their setups. It captures and passes through 8K resolution with stunning clarity, ideal for high-end gaming, professional video production, and live streaming. Even if 8K isn't in your immediate plans, its support for 4K and 2K at high frame rates ensures versatility, allowing it to adapt to your current needs while preparing for future upgrades. The built-in audio mixing capabilities offer streamers unmatched flexibility in managing multiple audio sources, a feature often overlooked in other capture cards. With cross-platform compatibility for both Windows and macOS, The ESCAP 364 caters to a broad range of users, from PC gamers to Mac-based video editors. As one of the first 8K capture cards on the market, it also positions itself as a future-proof device, ready to handle the increased demands of upcoming technological advancements. Cons: the ESCAP 8K video capture card offers top-tier performance, but comes with a few drawbacks. To fully utilize its capabilities, a powerful system is required, and users with less robust setups may face issues like lag or dropped frames, especially at higher resolutions. Additionally, while the card supports 8K, the limited availability of 8K content means many users won't fully benefit from this feature yet. Its premium price may also be prohibitive for those who don't need 8K resolution or advanced audio mixing. Moreover, the advanced features and capabilities come with a steeper learning curve, potentially posing challenges for beginners unfamiliar with capture card technology. The ESCAP Game Dock Extreme 2.1 is a top-tier video capture card ideal for high-end gamers, streamers, and content creators. With 8K video capture, versatile resolution support, and strong audio mixing, it delivers exceptional content quality. However, its high system demands and price make it best for those with or planning to upgrade to powerful setups. If you want to future-proof your content creation, the ESCAP 364 is a worthy investment. Check the price in the description and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more tech insights.